Hi, welcome to our next video in UPSC series. This time we are going to discuss Mains General Studies Paper First syllabus in details. General Studies Paper First is divided in three parts: Indian Heritage and Culture, History of India, World and Society, Geography of India and World. Indian Heritage and Culture covers important points of art forms, literature and architectures from ancient to modern times. Indian history will cover modern Indian history from middle of 18th century till present significant events. Remember, all the famous personalities and issues came in this period. Next important topic is freedom struggle. Study all various stages and important contributors or contributions from different parts of the country made by people for independence. Also, after independence, study all the union and reorganizations happened within the country. World history will include events from 18th century such as Industrial Revolution, World Wars, redraw of national boundaries, colonizations, decolonization, political philosophies like communism, capitalism, socialism, etc., their forms and effect on the society. Next is important topics on Indian society and diversity of India, like role of women and women's organization, population and related issues, poverty and developmental issues, urbanizations, their problems and remedies, effects of globalizations on Indian society. Also topics like social empowerment, communalism, regionalism and secularism. Important features of India and world physical geography, distribution of key natural resources across the world including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent, factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world including India. Important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic activity, cyclone, etc. Geographical features and their locations. Changes in critical geographical features including water bodies and ice caps, and changes in flora and fauna and the effect of such changes. Hope you like the information. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe to our channel for similar videos. Thanks for watching.